Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Alex and Nick back here again in the kitchen.
The kitchen. Good morning, sunshine.
Morning indeed. And we're here. This is going to be a belter for all of you who are very time poor out there. We're going to be doing the breakfast shake. Nick, talk us through it.
This is my favorite. This is my shake every morning apart from Sundays when I cook healthy pancakes for the kids.
Ooh,
and my wife.
pancakes.
I'm the pancake king. I'm the breakfast king.
I got to sample these goods.
Yeah, you start. Okay, well, let's get started. You can be the chef.
I'll drive it.
Not the naked chef, thank goodness.
Not today.
Well, you never know. Just don't come out behind that counter. Give people a shock. all right. 50 grams of oats. So we're doing 50 grams of rolled oats or quick oats. Doesn't matter. You've got about 35 grams of carbohydrates there. 50 grams of the oats. On a big leg day, I'll do 100, but for most of you, 50 grams of oats. 50 grams of pineapple works great with cherries. Any frozen fruits, it will work. 50 grams.
I'm going to be generous.
Don't be shy, my friend. You know how we do it.
Doing a little bit more.
Good scoop of the protein. So we're getting 35 grams of fast digesting protein. We've been fasting whilst we've been sleeping for 7 or 8 hours. So the fast digesting hydrolyzed hydrolyzed WPI is a great protein for us first thing in the morning. We'll have some slower digesting egg whites, 100 grams or 100 mils of egg whites, another 10 grams of protein here. So we're ticking up the protein to about 45 grams now, along with the small amount of protein in the oats. We're at about 50 grams of protein now.
This is protein packed, mate.
Oh, beautiful.
This is what we want,
beautiful
right?
Egg whites. And these egg whites, maybe 250 mil or so, just let's top it up to where we need to. These egg whites, they're basically pure protein and they are pasteurized. They've been heat treated, so you can drink them. Very important to know. They've been pasteurized, you can drink them without cooking, no salmonella, no issues.
And that's, back in the day, you do that with the eggs, but not anymore.
Nah, the
You
salmonella, you don't want to risk it. We cook the raw eggs, but this one we're okay. 10 grams of fats, great to get some medium chain fats in first thing in the morning via the coconut oil, great energy source.
This is going to add a little bit of flavor as well.
Yeah, nice mouthfeel, make it smooth and creamy, and
there we go. That's all done.
Particularly with the coconut water and the pineapple. We've got the peanut. This is the pina colada breakfast shake, Alex.
I was going to say it very much is.
Yeah, very much. A little bit of ice. The secret to any great shake: little bit of ice. Beautiful.
Got to get it in there.
And we're good to go. So we're looking, folks, at about a good 50 grams of protein, 60 grams of carbs, 10 grams.
Now, the oats is going to give that a nice consistency.
Oh, yeah. 30.
This is better than your
37.
Boost juice in the morning.
Oh, there's no comparison.
The nutritional
No
profile.
disrespect to anyone there, but to get 50 grams of high quality protein, 60 grams of quality carbohydrates, 10 grams of fats from MCT from coconut oil, this is a great way to start the day. Breakfast of champions, Alex.
And a value for money.
It is value for money, it truly is. It probably costs about $3 a serve, probably, if that.
And when you put it like that.
That is sensational. That is a sensational looking shake. Cheers, my friend.
To the morning.
To the morning. Have a great day, folks. All the best.
Enjoy.